puzzle time! Are you ready for the Moose A Moose memory game?
Yay!
Okay. Do you remember which two cards have yellow birds on them?
That one!
Yes! And where's the matching yellow bird? Is it this one?
No!
Where is that other yellow bird?
There!
That's it! You did it! You found the two yellow birds! Such a pretty pair! Your memory is remarkable! That is to say, great! Now it's time for Go Diego Go!
Go Diego Go enhances preschoolers' observation and Spanish language skills, as well as their awareness of the diversity of living things and the use of tools and technology for scientific study.
This show is made for Noggin by Nick Jr.